Hi everyone, it's Tim from One Stop Warehouse, and I'm very excited today because I'm here with Brent Heber from SolarEdge, and we're very excited because we have to announce that the new SolarEdge Energy Bank has arrived at One Stop Warehouse. Brent, do you want to tell us a bit about the Energy Bank?
Absolutely, it's been a long time coming, right?
It
So
has.
I guess the things to know about the battery, first and foremost, if you care about efficiency, if you're talking to your customers about efficiency when it comes to solar panels, why not talk about efficiency when it comes to batteries as well? This is one of the most efficient DC coupled storage solutions on the market. Not only that, it's got industry-leading safety, and the thing which is of most interest to the installers is how quick is it to install. We actually did one of these last week, and out of the box, onto the wall, commissioned and working, it was done within 2 hours.
Wow.
20 minutes of that was looking for a bootlace. So we probably would have got it done in about an hour and a half, I reckon, next time round. So very easy, just a DC cable and an earth cable, and then wireless connectivity for commissioning. So very quick and easy install, which I think is something the industry's been crying out for, a simpler battery solution for some time.
Fantastic, and obviously the integrated solution with the whole SolarEdge range makes this a great choice to sell to your consumers, to sell to your homeowners. So call your account manager, talk about the SolarEdge battery bank and how you can get it into your customers' homes.
Thanks, guys.